97, 75, 73 tonight, 97 tomorrow, 72, 95, 71 Sunday, 94, 72 Monday, 93, 71 Tuesday, 90, 71 Wednesday. So we're going to be in the 90s through the middle of next week. It is about 7:35, and we're getting off at US 78. I guess they call this West Broad, but we'll be going past the Georgia Mall, which is closed. Well, I don't know if it's closed, but they're doing whatever they're doing. It's going to be repurposed. I said we're on our way to Ackworth to get some stuff and then get back to Athens today, this afternoon. We may go through Decatur on the way, or either on the way back, maybe get some bike video somewhere. We haven't been down 78 in a while. I didn't want to go down 85, so we're going to 78. So I'm going to turn this off and miss this light. Here we have 78, but we don't have it. It's been about a year, I guess. This will probably be about 3, maybe 4 videos. Because I'm not going to make one long one. I may make them, these cameras get hot. Of course, they won't be looking one into the sun, so maybe they won't get, the phones, maybe they won't get hot. This is the S22. We'll probably be switching to the S22 Ultra. I would use the S20. It does good video too, but I can't. The only way I can charge it is with wireless charger. The connector on the bottom is messed up. Don't know what happened to it. It just quit, got where it wouldn't charge with it. It doesn't want to plug in all the way. Missed a couple of lunatics coming around on the loop. The Athens loop is a dangerous loop highway. They're redoing the entrance and exit ramps. I don't know if that's going to be enough. It's real hard to merge on and or get off sometimes. Drive like absolute lunatics. 5 years I've been driving around the southeast US, even Atlanta, 285. People on drive on this Athens loop drive the worst of all of them. And I'm not an outsider coming into town saying this. I don't know whether it's because it's a college town. I don't have the explanation for it, but it's pretty pitiful the way people drive around Athens, Georgia. Shameful. We'll be turning left up here. Probably let this one run until we get to maybe Walton County, then pick it up from Walton. I guess we'll go all the way through Loganville, Snellville, bypass Monroe, do on the bypass. We do Split Silk, Monroe, or Monroe, Split Silk, Loganville, Snellville, Stone Mountain Freeway, 285 over to 75. And for me to actually do any good with this YouTube channel, I need 25,000 plus subscribers. I don't even have a sixth of that. watch hours, views, subscribers. I've been posting quite a few shorts. Shorts are doing good. Really need a couple of videos to go viral. I don't know quite how to do that. Is it big? Please. Crossing over 316. We'll figure it out. Very nice day, but it is going to be hot. 90, what's the humidity? It doesn't feel that hot, that high right now. The humidity's been 90, 95%. Well, it is. Humidity, 92%. That's 73 degrees, so it doesn't feel too bad right now. The humidity's been dropping during the day, down to about 55 or 60. Than the phone stabilization can handle. We've got a new dash cam that has 4 channels. It has a camera facing forward, it has side cameras, and then a rear standalone rear camera. We're going to take this mirror mount off and put that on, I think. Try that out. We may get that done today. Section or 1 or 2 segments with either the Osmo Action 3 or the GoPro Black 10. I like the video from the GoPro Black 10 better than the Osmo 3, but smoothly all the way across. Something else I need a intern or someone who wants to learn this stuff, help me organize this stuff. I like to get the video. I do not like doing anything else with it. Let's turn it off here. Well, I should have left it running, let y'all see the traffic going across 53. I'm going across 78 from 53. It is backed up as far as I can see to the left. We rolled the window up so we wouldn't catch that music. I said, we'll turn this off and start getting it uploaded at Walton County line, which is the Appalachian River. I think we'll start recording with the Osmo Action 3. That way that'll give this camera time to rest and cool off.